today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money by promoting audiobooks on Audible, even if you don't have a following or any products of your own. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley. And in today's video, you don't actually have to create anything. You're just recommending books you love or books your niche would love, and you get paid. So if you want to turn curated content into missions, stick around because I'm going to show you the exact tools and strategies to set this up very fast. Let's talk about what this strategy actually is. This strategy uses Amazon's Associates, was Amazon's official affiliate program. Once you sign up, it's free. You can generate specific audiobooks, curated lists or book categories, even the Audible free trial. When someone signs up for Audible using your link, even for the free trial, you earn around $5 per sign up. So no, you're not selling anything expensive. You're literally getting paid to recommend books and help people access content they probably already want. This is perfect if you're already reading or listening to audiobooks, have a niche audience like wellness, finance, mindset, etc. Or if you want a passive affiliate strategy you can build once and run for months. Let's get into step-by-step how to do this. Step number 1, you need to join Amazon Associates. So what you'll do is go to affiliateprogram.amazon.com and sign up. You'll just need to enter in your basic info, so your website or social links, and get approved to start generating links. Once you're in, you'll be able to grab the custom affiliate links, again, for individual audiobooks, Audible free trials, series, or genre collections. Again, you just have to create your free account and you'll be able to start getting affiliate income. Step number 2 is to pick your niche and audiobooks to promote. You don't need to recommend everything. The more niche you are, the more trust you'll build. Here are a few niche ideas with example audiobook hooks. So wellness, 5 audiobooks that helped me heal my relationship with food. Productivity example could be 3 books that boosted my focus. Money niche could be best audiobooks for first-gen wealth builders. Here's a parenting example. Audible books that saved me during toddler meltdowns. All you have to do is go to Audible and search for books in your niche, get reviews, popularity, and preview the content to make sure it aligns. Pro tip, focus on books that come with the free trial. That way people don't have to pay anything and you still get paid. You can use your Amazon dashboard to grab affiliate links for specific audiobooks. Just promote the free trial directly using the link they give you. It's super simple. Step number 3 is to create a promotional plan. Now that you have your books and links, you need a plan to share them. ClickUp is a great way to organize your promos, what books you're featuring, where you're sharing them, and how often. Here's what a simple weekly plan might look like. For example, Monday, post a reel on Book of the Week. Wednesday, send a short email with 3 listening recs. Friday, share an egg story with your current read and link. You can use ClickUp to set up recurring content tasks so you're consistently posting. You want to stay organized and systematize this like a real business. I've left the link to ClickUp below. Step number 4 is to build an email list with Beehiiv. So this step is where the long-term magic happens. Create a curated audiobook newsletter, something like a weekly listen or Mindset Money audiobook picks or top 3 Audible recs for busy moms. Send 1 email per week with short reviews, personal notes, or seasonal recs, all with your Amazon affiliate links inside. Beehiiv is really easy to use to send and schedule emails, build your list, and track clicks. It's super simple, clean, and designed for creators. If you want to check out Beehiiv, you can use the link in the description below. I've also left that there for you. So again, like I said, it's super clean and easy to use. To create an email, you just click this little plus button. You can go ahead and find a template that you like, or you can start from scratch. It's very simple and easy to use. You can edit everything, delete, you can drag and drop everything around. And once you have your email listed, make sure you have your links in here. Of course, you can add pictures of books or screenshots from Audible, whatever is going to, or maybe even you holding a book if you've read that book specifically. And then next, you will go ahead and add your audience here and your subject line. Again, make it something that gets people excited or gets people curious. And then you can go ahead and review, and then you just click schedule and you're good to go. You don't need a huge list. Even with 100 subscribers, if just 10 of them sign up for a free trial, that's $50. Again, Beehiiv is just a really easy way to run everything from welcome sequences to weekly book roundups. And if you want to check them out, I've left that link down below for you. Step number 5 is to design simple graphics with Canva. You want visuals to share your audiobook links on, like Instagram stories, Pinterest, newsletters, YouTube thumbnails. I love Canva. I personally use it every single day. Canva has a lot of drag and drop templates. So you can create things like 5 books that changed my life, a graphic, or mock-ups of book covers, or side-by-side quote quotes from audiobooks. Even a basic quote card with a listen free CTA can convert. So before we dive into Canva, I just wanted to quickly show you these different options for plans because I do have a great free plan. I just wanted to point out a couple of reasons why I have the upgraded. Again, it's a great place to start. And then if you find yourself needing more, you can always upgrade. With the Canva Pro plan, which is what I personally have, you obviously get everything that's in the free plan. But a couple of standout things here is the terabyte of storage. 5 gigabytes of storage did not last me long, so I knew I was going to have to upgrade eventually. So the storage is a huge one. Another one that I use is the remove backgrounds. I use that on almost every single template that I make. Another thing I use is the resize. So if I want to go from an Instagram story to an Instagram post, it's really, really easy to do that. I also use the brand kit so I can keep everything in the same colors and fonts and everything like that. It just makes it easier. And then also a lot of the premium templates, I use a ton of templates in here. So obviously this is not my brand vibe at all. So I would come in here and change the colors. You can add your logo here. You also can change your fonts, etc. And then you can add maybe like my top picks. So then you can customize everything in here. Make it enticing so people really, really want to click on it and learn more and just get interested in the books and audiobooks that you're going to be sharing. Step number 6 is to promote consistently. So here are a few ways to share your links. For example, an Instagram carousel with 3 books that helped me lose weight without dieting, or a TikTok video reviewing a new audiobook, or a weekly newsletter roundup, YouTube description box under relevant videos, even a Pinterest board with curated listening lists, and a link in bio page is really, really helpful as well. This is a CTA tip. Always say something like, you can listen to this one for free with Audible. My link is in the description. Or if you want to check it out, use my Amazon link to start your trial and support the channel. So how much can you actually make? Let's break it down. If you get 100 people to sign up for the free trial, you made around $500. You grow a list of 1,000 readers and 5% of them sign up over time. That's $2,500. Once your content is there, emails, Pinterest pins, YouTube videos, it can keep earning passively. This isn't a get rich quick strategy, but it's scalable, repeatable, and low stress. And it just works. If you're a content creator, newsletter writer, or even just someone who reads a lot, you should absolutely be monetizing with Amazon Associates and Audible. If you're already recommending books, you might as well get paid for it. And even if you only make a few hundred a month from this, it's still money coming in on autopilot from content you enjoy creating. So if you've been looking for an excuse to get started, this is it. Again, all of the links are in the description to get signed up with any of the tools that I mentioned. I know there's so many tools out there, but I really wanted to pick the ones that I really love and ones that keep me interested in going back and using over and over again. That wraps up this video. This channel is dedicated to helping you build real side income without burning out or wasting time on strategies that don't work. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.